So many people are afraid to break no contact and to reach out to their significant other, mainly because you're afraid of the hope dying. You don't want to know for sure that your significant other is not ready to communicate with you. And so you would rather be in this state of limbo to keep the hope alive rather than reaching out and having this definitive answer that your ex doesn't want to talk to you or they have moved on. And I was coaching this young lady yesterday who's just told me, yes, let's do it. She had her message prepared. She was going to reach out. And then afterwards, she reached out again saying, I'm not ready. I'm afraid of what he's going to say. And I understand. But the reality is that you cannot just prolong this process forever out of fear of losing them. The breakup has already occurred. You have already lost them. And it's about having no regrets. That's what this is about. So if you know you're ready to reach out, if you have indeed grown, understood some things, learned some things, and are ready to reconnect with your significant other, don't delay this process out of fear. Because I've seen people never feel ready, never reach out, wait too long, miss their window, and then having regrets as well. And so, ultimately, it's not just about getting back together at all costs. There needs to be growth on both sides. Your significant other also needs to earn your trust again, also needs to be committed to building a relationship again. And if they're not there yet, it's okay. Perhaps they still need more time, or perhaps they're no longer the right person for you, and you're going to need to come to terms with the fact that you may have outgrown them and the relationship, and that what you're clinging on to is not grounded in reality. It's actually grounded in the potential of what a relationship could have been, but not what it actually has become. And there's nothing to be afraid of. On the contrary, it would be all to your credit, because you would have approached this process the right way, and actually the pressure will shift on their shoulders to make sure that they don't miss out on a potentially amazing partner and exactly the type of relationship that they always wanted. So don't stress yourself out. Don't overthink it. It is not the end of the world. And even if they tell you that they're not ready to reconnect at this time, or that they're in another relationship, or something crazy that you don't want to hear, it doesn't mean that all hope is lost. It is just the reality of that moment. And if you're prepared, if you've done the work, if you've moved towards acceptance and detachment, you're going to be just fine. I've seen people who are just fine and cope with the situation and handle it so well. And actually, it is a stepping stone towards a new and improved relationship. So if you find yourself being afraid to reach out to your ex, even though you know you're ready, let go of that fear. Take that step, act, and then we reflect, we learn, we grow. That is what the no contact mindset is all about. And I really want you to act, to not be afraid. Let me know how it goes. Come back to this video, share in the comment section, say, okay, I was afraid, I acted, and that's what happened. We reflect together, and we, no matter what happens, plan the next steps. I hope this is helpful, and I cannot wait to learn from your experience.